The 1000X is going to be the highest possible one. There it is, looking amazing. Just like
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a pachinko. We are starting with 5x. There is 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 50, 200x. 200x is the highest one, so let's see what we will get. Come closer.
This is the amount of money issued, 88,693 euros.
We have 1,207 winners. Congratulations and comments. Let's go back. Did you expect this?
Ooh, 5x and cash hunt. Wait, conflict is the only bonus we can expect in your session? Oh, say that again. Say that again to my face, alright? Let's go. Cash hunt time. I dare you. Say that again. Cash hunt. We have cash hunt for the 5x. Awesome. Alright, let's see. I only won 100. Well, still good, still good. 5x, top slot. Alright, max multiplier is 500x. Let's go. Now, because I haven't bet big, you're not the only one placing a bet. And I guarantee there are players that are placing even bigger bets. So, that have placed and didn't place. So, ladies and gentlemen, your time to shine, pick a target, pick a good one, or let the outpick choose for you. I can't believe how players think that if they didn't place a bet and oh, now the game is doing the win. I mean, come on.
This is the amount of money issued, 83,506 euros.
2 winners in total. Kamal is the top winner, guys. Congratulations and let's go on, everybody. Let's go for it, okay? Yeah, seems like the light couldn't handle it. Let's go. All right, guys. FaceTime 5x on the top side out there. All right, let's shake it out. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time with 5x on a top slot. Let's go. Welcome. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Well. What do we got out here, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, remember that 5x we had on top slot. Now, the magic gonna happen. Check it out. 5x multi. Everything is gonna be multiplied by 5 on the wheel right now. Poof. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now decision time is all yours. Green flapper, blue one, or yellow one. Go for it. Feel free to pick to choose to decide which flapper actually you're gonna get the highest multi. Most of you are going with the blue one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 500x highest multi. We want to see some doubles. Best of luck. Let's go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what do we got? 125x for green flapper, blue flapper, and yellow one is getting a double. Everything is getting doubled on the wheel right now, which means 1000x highest multi. Best of luck, guys. Doing it again. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 631,056 euros.
50x, everybody. Let's go. Alrighty, congratulations to all the guys. 9,425 winners in total. Kamal top winner with 13,000 euros went out there. Lovely. All right, guys. That was great. That was great indeed. 125x, 125x, and 250x. Lovely. Let's keep it up, everybody. Let's go. Good luck, guys.
Sure, Daddy 1.5 is alright. 7x as well. 10x, 15x, 20x. Ooh, 100x is over there as well. See it? Alright, so the max multiplier is 100x. Good luck, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm going to be trying to run down because I want to see too. Maybe a 20x. That is a 15x for you guys. Well done. Enjoy those winnings. Enjoy the multiplier as well. And best of luck to you in the next one as well. 11,764 winnings in total. So if you want to aerial, you're the top of the next comment now. And today's betting time. It is all yours now. Final seconds. Welcome team, would you join us as well? You're joining time for the betting time if you would like to join the game. I look like I'm 40. Okay, well. Good luck, everyone. Okay. Cool. 3x on crazy time. Oh, maybe. Hello? Hello, that's crazy time for us, guys. Let's go open that red door. All right, come on and win with me. Free candy in here. Hello, hello. Welcome to the big wheel. All right, don't forget that we had that 3x from the top slot as well. It is your time to choose. You want green, blue, or yellow flapper. If you do not choose one, it's gonna assign one to you automatically. So, you know, your decision if you want to choose or no, you know. Most people have chosen the blue one. Alright, max multiply 600x. Good luck to you guys.
This is the amount of money issued 920,341 euros.
Welcome back. We got that 300x on the yellow one. 12,000 winners. Well done. Enjoy your winnings. Betting time's here. Feel free to place your bets now. Final seconds of the betting time. Don't forget we want to play here as well. You can sit back and relax. Bets are closed now. Also, welcome to you who just joined. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing well and you enjoy your stay. Alright, good luck everyone. Also, you can place your bets. 5x on coin flip. You can place your bets.
Side of the coin, let's check it out once again. What it is. 5x red, 9x on the blue one. Let's check this out. Also, the highest one is yours. 9x on the blue side of the coin, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the victory. Well, as much as hopefully we're going to enjoy the rest of the session. Let's meet back at the wheel. We do have 6,615 winners in this round. Thank you. Let's see how long is it going to take us to get to the first crazy time, actually. I'm talking about the bonus round. Yes, of course. Jenna is saying do a backflip, man. Well, I can actually do a backflip. How about you? All right, Pachinko 5x. I used to be able to do that from the ground as well when I was younger. Now I can definitely do it like on the trampoline, but well, no matter the trampoline, we're going to play some Pachinko. Let's do that. So, oh, whoa! Did that just happen? I didn't even almost notice there's 5x multiplier on top. Silly me. Oh, sorry, guys. Haven't been here for a long time, so gotta get used to the whole thing again, right? That's what happens. But okay, we're starting with a pretty sweet thing, right? Yes. Well, 7x on the bottom. Well, basically from the base. Oh, 200 and 100x as well. 5x on top, so we already know the 1000x is going to be the highest possible one. There it is. Looking amazing. Just like amazing as this beautiful game. So let's start by just, well, dropping like it's hot, right? Exactly. With an attitude, drop it like it's hot. Yes. Come on. 1000X is on the line. Can we reach that point or 500?
This is the amount of money issued 1,541,860 euros.
La 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 la. We're super happy about that. Come on. 42K is number one payout for Colonel Rain. Well, I don't know if I said that correctly, but what an excitement. That was, I wanted to say unbelievable. It's actually pretty believable. Come on. You gotta love those moments. Let's go. Wow, what a wonderful start of the day.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.